Hey everybody, it's time for math. So what we're gonna do today is I've actually sent out a link so you guys have access to these. I made little fish. I'm not gonna use these. I'm gonna use actual goldfish during our activity, but in case you don't have those, you can have these and cut them out and do it that way. And we've got our fishbowl here. So we're gonna do some fishbowl addition. These are all our numbers. So what I'm gonna do is chop these up and I'm gonna put them in a dish and we're gonna draw them out, and that's how we're gonna do our addition. So it's gonna be number plus number and we're gonna go from there. So stay tuned and we'll do this together. All right guys, so we've got everything cut out now. We have all of our little pieces here. I actually went and got a dish. So I'm gonna put these pieces in my dish because what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick them out like one at a time. Like I said, I didn't wanna cut up my fish page because I actually have some goldfish that I'm gonna be using. So I'm gonna dump some of those out on here and we'll get started. All right, so I have my fish bowl right here. And I'll give you a view of this. I wasn't sure how to best film this, so bear with me. So what we're gonna do is I'm going to pick out a number from my dish. Whoa, that is a big one, so 20. All right. What we're gonna do now is pick out another one. Ooh, this is a big problem. So 20 plus 24 is what it's going to be. And actually, let me get make my little plus sign. I forgot to do that. But doing this activity reminded me to do that for you guys. So I just got a little sticky note here because we're gonna use these same materials for a subtraction activity later this week. So right here, if you guys see, I have my plus sign. So we've got our 20 plus 24. So what we are gonna do is I'm going to use my props. So I got out all these goldfish and what I'm gonna do is count them. So you guys see here? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm gonna group mine in groups of 5s. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 5 goldfish and 1 group of 4 for the 24. So now let's make our piles for our 20s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I'm gonna give you guys a view right here. We've got our piles right here, bear with me. So we've got our piles right here and I put them in 5. So we've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So we know this is our 24 side. Then on this side, we've got 20, 5, 10, 15, 20. So what I'm gonna do to add these up, instead of just counting them all together, I'm gonna count by my 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. So we have 44 goldfish. So 24 plus 20 is 44. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take these little guys and put them to the side. And just like for my goldfish, I'm gonna put those back in their little area so that we have a blank slate. Goldfish tracks. And now we're gonna draw again. Let's see what we can get this time. 14. So we've got 14 plus 13. I didn't mix these up very well, I apologize guys. But we're gonna try to do some of the bigger ones. If you want to try this at home. I would love for you to. It's great practice. And then if you actually have the little goldfish, you can have a little snack afterward as your reward. So that could be fun. Or you could even do this with Swedish fish or candy, whatever. So, or Cheerios. Anyway, so we've got 14 plus 13. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And I still, if I can, I'm gonna group these in groups of 5 because counting by 5s, pretty much everyone in our class has pretty much mastered. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And I'm gonna lift you guys up again and show you what we've got here. So we've got our 14 goldfish plus 13. So we're gonna count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So 14 plus 13 is 27 goldfish. Good job, guys. So what we're gonna do again, we're gonna set these to the side. We're gonna reset our goldfish. I'm gonna put them right over here. So we have our blank slate again. And then we go and get our dish. And we're gonna pick again. I'm gonna try to mix these up a little bit. All right, so we drew one. We've got ourselves a 3. And we've got ourselves a 9. So this one's gonna be a little bit of a lower number. So we've got, I'm gonna hold it up for you guys. 3 plus 9. So now we're gonna reset with our goldfish. So we need to get 3 goldfish. So 1, 2, 3. All right, and now for our 9, we need to get more. So what I'm actually gonna do for this one is I'm going to group them in 3s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is what we've got here, guys. We've got all of our fish grouped in 3s, which is gonna make this really easy for us to count. So we'll start out with our 3 and then we're gonna skip counting by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12. So 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 goldfish. Great job, guys. So you get the gist of that. I'm gonna do one more example in case you don't wanna chop all of these little cards up and do it that way. If you still have our dice from a few activities ago, we can do this with dice as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and roll. I rolled a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I rolled a 6. So our first number is 6. So we're gonna make 6 goldfish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're gonna roll again. And we got 1, 2. So we now need 2 goldfish. So our problem is 6 plus 2. So 6 plus 2. And I'm gonna show you guys, just like I've been doing. All right, so we've got 6 plus 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 6 plus 2 is 8. You guys did a great job. Sorry about that. You guys did a great job, and I hope this was really fun for you. And if you worked as hard as I know you did, then go get yourself a snack. See you soon.